Today on Mama's East Texas Kitchen, we are smoking chicken. Let's get started on this video.
What are you using?
I'm chunking.
The lighter? We've also put 2 cans of water down here to help keep our chicken moist.
We can make 5. Are you Eddie Murphy fans? Your little taser lighter ain't gonna work.
Okay.
Burn, burn, burn.
Should we put the lid down?
No. Do not put either lid down.
At least the fire will keep us warm. Once your coals get white, what are you going to put on it next?
I'm gonna put wood on it next.
What kind of wood is it?
You're asking me that?
It's pecan.
So we're gonna have pecan smoked chicken.
No. And sausage.
Sausage.
Okay, well while this is getting ready, I'm going to go take them inside and get the chicken ready.
Okay, you do that.
Okay.
You know where the sausage is?
Yep. Well, I bought some acreage today
Oh,
because that other one's frozen.
right. That's what I was thinking.
Thought I'd stop by and show you the neighbor chickens. Hello, ladies. How are y'all today?
Okay, I have 2 types of chicken. I have chicken breasts and chicken thighs. Those are some big old breasts, aren't they? Okay, I am patting my chicken dry. I didn't do a brine on these. we're gonna just do a dry rub. On my chicken thighs, I'm gonna put Uncle Steve competition bird powder. But before I do that, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of my garlic olive oil over it. Spread that out a little. Don't be shy with your spices. On the chicken breast, I'm adding Miss Lippy's Clucking Good.
Long tongs you got?
Uh-huh.
Is that to turn meat with, or?
For whatever you need it for. There's a long spatula in there too.
Yeah, no, I don't want the spatula. I need something to grab and turn.
Well, use them.
Use these?
Whatever you need. Yeah.
I was gonna grab a pair of long.
Okay, we'll get those. I don't care, babe.
This will work better for me.
Okay. Now we're going to flip them over. Okay. What are you fixing to do now?
Put wood on it now. See how the coals are?
Yep.
That's how you want your coals before you put your wood on. Oh, flat pieces. Maybe. And you want to wait for them to start smoking. They'll catch.
He has to duck down. If you didn't know, we are sitting on top of our storm shelter. Pretty boy.
And we have a loud rooster.
Except he's not our rooster, he's the neighbor's rooster.
This is true. All right, now we're gonna gently,
Okay, hold on. Get where I can. All right.
gently pick this up and place it on here. We're gonna place both of these. You want to leave your side vent partially open, and this one just cracked.
And then we wait. What's the temperature on it right now?
Nothing. I'm gonna let it get at least between 350 and 400. If it gets more than that, then you open up the vent some more.
I
Till
thought
the chicken's done, you don't have to turn it when you're smoking.
Is it gonna need more wood?
No. You didn't put any more wood on it.
There's their naked neck. Isn't that the ugliest chicken ever? Well, I got you out here. I guess I will show you the starts of my garden. I still have a lot of work to do on it, but we're getting there. My dad came and mowed today.
Yeah, you did.
Tomato plants and pepper plants. I've got more stuff to go here. Thought I'd let you come see the babies. Y'all hadn't seen them in a minute. Say hi. That's my rooster, Rex. This is Georgia. That's little Barbara. Another one over there, the other hen is June. Y'all gonna come say hi? Y'all gonna come say hi? careful, can't see y'all while you're hiding. Eventually, I would like for them to free range, but they're not quite big enough yet that I feel safe enough that a predator wouldn't get them, because we do have predators here. Okay, friends, here it is. This is one of the breasts. Let me tell you, it smells freaking amazing. Thank you so much for joining Keith and I today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I hope to be bringing you more smoking videos, but here you go. We'll see you guys on the next video.